If you're seeing the message, this group can't be displayed because it was used to spread, and you want to fix it in Telegram, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step method to unblock that hidden group and make it visible again. Now, one very important thing before we start, this option is only available in Telegram Desktop, not Telegram Web. So if you're currently using Telegram Web, please switch over to Telegram Desktop first, because the setting we need is not available in the browser version. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Telegram tips and fixes. It really helps the channel and it keeps you updated with more easy step-by-step guides like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer and log into your account. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon, usually in the top left corner, and click it to open the main options. From there, go straight to Settings. This is where Telegram keeps most of the important privacy and content controls. Inside Settings, find and click on Privacy and Security. This section controls what kind of content Telegram filters or hides from your account. Now scroll down carefully until you see the section labeled Sensitive Content. In this area, you should see an option that says Disable Filtering. Turn this on. What this does is tell Telegram to stop blocking certain groups, channels, or content that it may have hidden automatically. In many cases, this is exactly what prevents the group from showing up in the first place. So once you enable Disable Filtering, Telegram should allow that group to appear again. After turning it on, make sure the change actually takes effect. If you're using Telegram on your phone, fully restart the app, close it completely, and open it again. If you're on Telegram Web or another browser session, refresh the page. This helps Telegram reload your settings and display the group correctly. Now go back and check the group again. In most cases, it should now be visible and accessible. If it still doesn't show up right away, give it a minute and refresh once more or sign out and back in to make sure the updated settings are applied properly. And that's it. You've now fixed the Telegram issue where a group can't be displayed because it was used to spread restricted content. Again, remember that this must be done in Telegram Desktop, not Telegram Web, since the sensitive content setting is only available there. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram troubleshooting guides, privacy settings, and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.